Hello students, good morning to all of you. This is Bablu Kumar teaching in Jesus Almighty Academy. Today we are going to solve exercise 2C. So before doing solution of this exercise, we would like to know about like fraction and like fraction. So what is like fraction? If the denominator of all fraction are same, this type of fractions are called like fraction. For example, 5 upon 12 and 8 upon 12. Both fraction numbers have the same denominator. So this type of fraction are known as like fraction. Now the second point is unlike fraction. If the denominators of the fraction number are different, then this type of fraction are known as unlike fraction. Now we have also mentioned about like unlike in the previous exercise. Now let us discuss to solve exercise 2C. Now the first question is fill in the blanks using signs greater, smaller or equal. 3 upon 5, 6 upon 5. The denominators of the both fractional number are same. So in order to check which fraction number is greater, we just see the numerator of fraction number in this situation. So as we know that 6 is greater than the numerator of 3. Then the numerator 3, 6 is greater than 3, so 6 upon 5 is greater than 3 upon 5. In the same way, B number 2 upon 3, 1 upon 3, both denominators are same. Here we see which numerator is greater. So here 2 is greater than 1. So we write here 2 upon 3 greater than 1 upon 3. Now we see the question number second. Arrange the fractions in descending order. 1 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 5 upon 7. Denominators of all fraction numbers are same. So in this situation we just see the numerators, which numerator is smaller. Here 1 is smaller while 6 is greater. Since we have to write this fraction number in descending order, so first we write the greater fraction number 6 upon 7 greater than 5 upon 7 greater than 3 upon 7 greater than 2 upon 7 greater than 1 upon 7. So we write all these fractions in ascending order in this way. In the same way, all denominators of these fractions numbers are same. So we first choose which numerator number is greater. 8. So we write here 8 upon 9 greater than 7 upon 9, greater than 6 upon 9, greater than 5 upon 9, greater than 4 upon 9, and 2 upon 9. Now the next point to be discussed, we have to arrange the fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to write all the fractional numbers in increasing form or in increasing order. We start writing all these fractions numbers from smaller to greater. So we first see whether the denominator of the fraction number are different or same. Here we see that the denominators of all fractional numbers are same. So we write the smaller numerator first. 1 is the smaller numerator, so 1 upon 5 is smaller than 2 upon 5, is smaller than 3 upon 5, is smaller than 4 upon 5. So in this way we write all the numbers, all the fractions numbers in ascending form. In the same way we have to write here all the fractional number in ascending order. We just see that denominators of all fractions numbers are same. So we write these fractions in ascending order, starting with 1 upon 9 is smaller than 4 upon 9, is smaller than 5 upon 9, is smaller than 7 upon 9, is smaller than 8 upon 9. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. You will complete exercise 2C in your notebook. This is your homework. This exercise does not contain more questions, so half of questions of this exercise have been taught by me to you. So rest of the questions should be done in your notebook or fair copy, correctly and orally. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day, and you just send your homework on Teno apps for correction. In the next session of video, we will discuss exercise 2D. Now the first question, fill in the blanks with greater, smaller or equal. In order to write this fraction number, in order to choose which fraction number is greater, we just see the denominator of the fraction numbers. Here 1 upon 8 and 1 upon 6. There are two denominator, there are two fractional numbers. We can also find to know which fraction number is greater in two ways, 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 8. We can also find this fraction number which is greater just by cross multiplication. We just multiply 1 and 8 together, 1 into 8, and here 6 into 1. As we know that 8 and 6, 8 is greater than 6. So 1 upon 6 is greater than 1 upon 8. The second method to find out which fraction number is greater, we just find LCM of 6 and 8. So LCM of 6 and 8 is here 24. So we first take the first number 1 upon 6 and divide 24 by 6, we get 4. So we multiply here 1 into 4, 4, and 6 into 4, 24. We take second number here 1 upon 8, we just divide LCM by 8, we get 3. So 3 upon 24. Here we get that denominators are same and the 4 is greater than 3. So we write here 4 upon 24 greater than 3 upon 24. So in this way 1 upon 6 is greater than 1 upon 8. We take another another question to get understand this one well. 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4, they are two fraction number. We can find which fraction number is greater by just doing cross multiplication here. We multiply 1 into 4 and 1 into 2, 1 into 4 and 1 into 2, 1 into 4 is equal to 4 and 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So 4 is greater than 2. In this way 1 upon 2 greater than 1 upon 4. Or we can also find this one by finding LCM of denominators. So LCM of denominators 2 and 4 is here 4. So we take first fraction number 1 upon 2 and there we divide 4 by 2, we get 2, 2. So we multiply numerator and denominator of the fraction number by 2 and 2 here, 2, 4. We take second fraction number 1 upon 4. We just divide LCM by 4, we get 1 and 1. So we multiply numerator and denominator of the fraction number by 1 and 1, we get 1 upon 4. Here we see that 2 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. The denominator of the both fraction number are same, but numerators are different. And 2 is greater than 1, so 2 upon 4 is greater than 1 upon 4. In this way we can find which fraction number is greater by doing this method. Now there are some more questions. There are same questions in question number 2. We have to apply the same method to solve all the questions of question number 2. Now the 3 number, you have to arrange all the fractions in descending order. You have to arrange the fractions in descending order. Here 5 upon 6, 5 upon 9, 5 upon 8, 5 upon 7. As we know that numerators are same but denominators are different. So in this situation we just find which denominator is smaller. Here 6 is smaller while 9 is greater. So 5 upon 9 is the smaller fraction number while 5 upon 6 is the greater fraction of this group. So we write in descending order. So in order to write the fraction in descending order, we just start from greater to smaller. So here we write here 5 upon 6 greater than 5 upon 7 greater than 5 upon 8 greater than 5 upon 9. So 5 upon 9 is the smaller fraction while 5 upon 6 is the greater or smaller. If the denominators of all fractions are different, so in this condition you will just see numerators of all fractions are same, then you choose which fractions have less denominator. So 8 upon 9, 9 is here a smaller denominator of this group. So we write this one in descending order. We write all these fractions in descending order. 8 upon 9, after that we write 8 upon 13, then we write here 8 upon 15, and last 8 upon 17. So in this way we can get the descending order of fractions. In the fourth number, we have to write, or we have to arrange all the fractions in ascending order. So in order to write all these fractions in ascending order, we just see whether denominator or numerators are same or not. Here numerators of all fractions numbers are same, but denominators are different. So we just see 1 upon 3, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 4. In these fraction numbers, 1 upon 2 is greater. How can we determine that 1 upon 2 is greater? If we divide 1 by 2, we get 0.5. If we divide 1 by 3, we get here 3.3 something. In the same way, if we divide 1 upon 4, we divide 1 by 4, we get 0.25. If we divide 1 by 7, we get 0.14 something. If we divide 1 by 8, we get 0.1, and here 2 something. So we here find that 0.5, it means 1 upon 2 is greater, while 0.12 is the smaller number. So we can arrange all these fractions in ascending order, just starting from 1 upon 8 greater than 1 upon 8 smaller than 1 upon 7 smaller than 1 upon 4 smaller than 1 upon 3 smaller than 1 upon 2. So we write here in ascending order that 1 upon 8 smaller than 1 upon 7 smaller than 1 upon 4 smaller than 1 upon 3 smaller than 1 upon 2. So this is the method to write all the fractions in ascending order if the numerators are same while denominators are different. We just divide this fractions number in this way and write to get a great answer. So for today, this much is enough. You will complete exercise 2D in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video once again, and you also submit your homework on turn apps for correction.